The value of upkeep in the digital age of computer systems. Both personally and professionally, computers have become a necessary component of modern life. They keep us linked, give us access to a wealth of information, and significantly increase the effectiveness of numerous tasks. To preserve the lifetime and continuous efficiency of these systems, like with any tool, it is essential to maintain good system operation. The significance of computer maintenance and how it can affect both businesses and individuals are covered in this article. The advantages of regular computer upkeep. Performance improvement is one of the key benefits of maintaining computer systems. A computer needs routine maintenance to make sure both its hardware and software are operating at their peak performance, much as a car needs frequent oil changes and tune-ups to work properly. This can involve operations like applying required security updates, updating drivers, and deleting unnecessary files. Users can enjoy quicker loading times, increased system stability, and a decrease in program crashes by frequently doing these actions. Increased security is an advantage of routine computer maintenance as well. It is crucial to keep your computer and network secure due to the ongoing threat of malware and cyber attacks. These kinds of attacks can be avoided and sensitive data can be safeguarded by installing software updates, employing antivirus software, and routinely backing up your data. Additionally, routine maintenance can assist uncover potential security threats and give a chance to fix them before they develop into more serious problems. The impact of skipping computer maintenance. Contrary to the advantages of routine computer maintenance, skipping these chores can have serious repercussions. Businesses may experience decreased productivity, disgruntled workers, and even possible data loss as a result. On a personal level, an unmaintained computer may be prone to frequent crashes, sluggish performance, and the possibility of losing crucial data. Computer systems can also become subject to security risks if they aren't maintained, which could lead to data theft, identity theft, or financial losses. The value of contracting a professional for computer upkeep. Although it is feasible to carry out computer maintenance activities on your own, hiring a professional is frequently more efficient. A knowledgeable computer specialist can locate problems more quickly and effectively, ensuring that your systems are operating at their peak performance. They can also offer helpful guidance on network security, software and hardware upgrades, and other important aspects of computer upkeep. Furthermore, working with a pro can offer you confidence that your computer systems are in capable hands. Conclusion. Computers are a vital part of our lives in the digital age, thus maintaining their correct operation is crucial. Regular computer maintenance may reduce costs, increase security, and improve performance. The long-run benefits of investing in computer maintenance can be significant for both individuals and company owners.